Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the light bulb in your refrigerator's freezer. The reason why you might replace the light bulb is because it's burned out. For this repair, all you'll need is a 1/4-inch nut driver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. For this demonstration, I'll be using an Electrolux Refrigerator. This is a side-by-side fridge. Keep in mind though that your fridge may be a little bit different, but the same technique should still apply. To begin, we'll open up our freezer. We'll take out this first shelf. Remember, it is glass, so just be careful with it. Alright, so we're going to use our 1/4-inch nut driver to take this screw out. It's just holding a small piece of protective grating right there. And then we can unscrew our light bulb. Now, take your new OEM replacement light bulb. If you don't have one already, you can buy one on our online store. We're going to put the light bulb back in this socket here, just like that. And we'll replace the protective grating. As we tighten that up, it'll just pull itself back into place. Now we'll replace our glass shelf. Close the door, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.